Okay, so welcome to this video on the Aviation Atlas channel. Today we're learning how to fly an ILS approach in the Cessna Citation CJ4. So we're currently cruising now over the English Channel. We left Rotterdam and we're expecting to land at Gatwick. Okay, so these are my settings on the MFD. MFD FMC. So you go to departure and arrival, and you go to arrival. You select your stars, your ILS, and your transitions. Then you just click execute, and that's pretty much it for now. We'll report to you when we're on our way. So we'll see you when we're on the ILS or about to capture it. Okay, so we're almost on the approach. Just getting all my charts up. I use Navigraph charts. Hoping I'll appear on timber in a minute. Just on timber almost. Hope I appear on my charts. Navigraph charts. I never really used it, but now I started using it. It's very good. Anyway. Coming off a bit off course, but timber. Then 002. And VistaJet 1 descending to 1000, expecting the ILS runway 26 left. Okay, no tower on line, which is no approach on line. Okay, so you just set your nav frequency 2000, vertical speed down. Heading, select there. 002, then 257002. Now, what are you doing? Okay. So it's just presuming you've set that in. It's just got a tune. Okay, this tune. Tower. Just very quickly what I have time. Tower is on 124233. 124233. Workload gets intense now. Yeah, we got 002. This is a crucial part. Oh, what have I done? Close to a stall there. Confirm heading is 002. Approaching overspeed. Okay, so the ILS is 2000 feet, 257. So I'm going to switch nav, vertical navigation, approach mode on, flight directives off.
Gatwick traffic. This is Virgin 226 A350 heavy on the Bognor 1 X-ray, currently in the upwind, passing 3,200, climbing 4,000.
Okay, so it's just monitored.
Speedbird 84, thank you.
It's coming quicker than expected. Yes. Nav. Approach mode. Vertical navigation. Heading select off. Please capture. He's on the glide slope.
Speedbird 84, no further ATC available over to Unicorn 122.8. Have a safe flight, bye bye.
Going to Unicorn Speedbird 84, thank you very much, bye bye.
Correction, Gatwick Tower, good day, VistaJet 1 on a 10-mile final for the ILS, runway 26 left.
VistaJet 1, Gatwick Tower, good afternoon, runway 26 left, continue approach, number 1.
26 left, continue approach, number 1, VistaJet 1. Okay. Now let's take that off. Okay, so we're on approach. Contact them a bit late. Whoa, I lost the glide slope. Okay, gear down. Yeah, it's gear. So, did I press my brake? No, gear down. Okay, flaps, flaps. Bring our air brakes in. Okay, this is all done. Let me get my taxi charts up. Taxi, there we go. And full flap. Car, power. Spoilers off.
VistaJet 1, surface wind 230 degrees at 4 knots, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, VistaJet 1. Why am I freezing? 5. Cool, stable. Praying to disengage autopilot. Final checks, check. Gear down, flaps full, check. Okay, landing. Air brakes will come on and brakes will be applied. Oh, too slow. Oh, too fast. Okay, autopilot disconnect. Flare. Flare. Flared too early. And touchdown. Air brakes and flaps. I mean brakes. Okay, flaps up. Air brakes off. Get a bit fast. Okay, well, thank you for watching our tutorial on how to do an ILS approach on the Cessna Citation. Expect upcoming videos.
Gatwick Tower, hello, easy 74 Delta Kilo approaching Alpha 2.
Okay,
Easy 7